After completing this building energy modeling course, you will be able to create code-compliant eQUEST models to analyze and optimize the energy efficiency of building designs. You will also understand key concepts related to lighting, HVAC systems, building envelope, and energy codes, and be able to apply this knowledge to develop detailed energy models, troubleshoot errors, establish baselines, and evaluate energy-saving strategies. In Module 1, we cover the basics of lighting, HVAC systems, and factors for efficient building envelope. Next, in Module 2, we provide an overview of eQUEST and Schematic Wizard for simple energy modeling to analyze building footprint, envelope, interior construction, and exterior features. In Module 3, we provide detailed design development instructions using eQUEST, including entering general building information and completing shell screens. Module 4 is a deep dive into the detailed edit mode in eQUEST, including inputting utility data for baselines, troubleshooting errors, and setting up baselines. The final module explains how to use ASHRAE Appendix G to develop code-compliant baseline models in eQUEST. It also discusses IECC and Energy Star's emphasis on square footage and energy efficiency,